Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're trying out the Cherry Blossom Huda Beauty Baking and Setting Powder. I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on it. So if you want to see what I think about this powder, let's get into the video. All right, so first of all, let me start by saying my nose is a little bit stuffy because I'm getting healed. This weather has changed, and yeah, so that's why my nose sounds a little bit stuffy. But other than that, let's get into this powder that I have been so excited to try. So let's do a little backstory. Well, I'm putting on some concealer first. If you're curious, this is the one I always use, the e.l.f. Deep Cinnamon. But I went to Sephora during the sale, and I finally got it. I got the mini size because when I went in there, I was surprised that they had a full size in there because every time I've went to look, there's never a Cherry Blossom full size. I went to a Sephora in Kohl's because I go to that one a lot near me. So I was debating, should I go ahead and get this big one or should I just get a mini? I went ahead and chose the mini because there would be a chance that I didn't like it. And I didn't want a big thing of it and not use it because these last you a long time. I have 3 other ones and I could have got minis in those, truthfully. Maybe not the cinnamon bun one because I use that the most, but yeah. I got the mini size and I did try it. Listen, I couldn't wait to try it. I'm like that with makeup. When I get it, I'm gonna put on a little bit more. When I get it, I want to try it so fast. So I tried it, but in a wrong way. I already had a full face of makeup on. I already had set my concealer with powder. I had the cinnamon bun powder. When I got home, put the pink on top, so it didn't give the true color. So this right now, today, is my first time with you, friend, trying this pink powder that I've wanted to try for literally years now. It's not even new. It's been out. It's been all the rage for a while now, but I'm just getting my hands on it. We're going to be trying this out together. I really hope that I like it so much that I want the full size of it. I just want to love it for some reason. So this is what the mini looks like. And when you open it up, I was a little bit confused, to be honest, on how to use it because the packaging is so different from the large size. I have a large size right here. Let me look in my makeup bag. This is a regular full size. All you do is open it up and the powder's inside like that. But this mini is very intricate. You snap it open like this, and then it says close this way, open this way. So you have to like do that. The mini looks like this on the inside. Since this opening is so deep here, I like to go in with a powder puff, and I can't really dig in there like I would. So you kind of like have to sprinkle it out, and I don't want to waste any. But I guess we're going in, guys, because I'm already pouring it out. So you have to kind of like sprinkle it out, and I don't like that because I feel like you can waste it. That's why they have this inside, but I don't put on my setting powder with anything like this. So I definitely know if I like this powder, I will be getting the full size of it, but we're just going to work with it. I sprinkled it out on here. I'm going to kind of like smooth it, and let's see how it looks. First, I'm just going to kind of press it in my skin. I'm trying to debate on, do I want to bake with this? Okay, that's the first layer. And I like it. Oh, I don't like how it's falling out. I wish there was a way I could just open, like take this part off. Okay, so let's do the other side. And you know what? I think I want to bake with this. It's really pretty. I can actually see the pink tint. It's really pretty. It really smoothed out my under eye. And what I like about this is that I like a translucent powder. My other powders have a little bit of a yellow tint. This one is more translucent, but I can see the pink, and I really think that's pretty. I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna bake. I'm putting it on my hand like that. And I really want to go in with this powder. Come on, let's see how this is gonna work. So that first application is beautiful. If you're not wanting to bake and you just want to set your under eye, it looks flawless. But we're really going to go in with this powder, and we're going to bake for a little bit. I don't normally bake, but sometimes I really like how my makeup looks when I do. So let's put some concealer up here on my smile lines where I normally would, in my chin. Let's blend that out. I'm excited because I already know I like it. So I could have got the big one. So maybe I still can go back and get the large size. Wait, let me dial it back. We're gonna see how this complete look looks. But I can kind of tell with makeup if I like it as soon as I put it on. It's just like that. I wear so much so often that I can kind of like see if something's gonna work or if it's not gonna work. Guys, I'm really going in with the powder. Because this is not the packaging I'm used to, like I literally have powder flying everywhere. You know what? Should I try this thing? Like maybe there's a reason for it. Do you just turn it inside and then oh, okay, that's not bad. Hey, you never know if you don't try. That's not bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but I still like my little powder puff better. I'll link these down below because I got these off of Amazon and I love them so much. But I feel like it's just a little bit messy in this mini size. Like I'm making way more of a mess than I usually do. Okay, and because I'm so excited to see how this is going to look, I'm not going to like bake it too long. We're just going to brush it off. You can see the pink if you bake. I am seeing the pink, but I like that. So you can definitely see how it has brightened up my under eyes. I like it so far, and I know once I put all my makeup on, I'm really gonna like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup off camera, and we're gonna hop back on and talk about what we think about it, okay? Can you tell I love it? Can you tell I love it? I absolutely love this powder. I had a feeling that I would, but seeing it with all the makeup and everything put together, what do you think? I feel like this is my new favorite powder. The banana bread is a little bit lighter to me. This gives a pink tone that complements my complexion even more. I love that. As you can see, it really just blurred like they all do, gives you this filter-like appearance, but the tone of the powder is so beautiful. It's just like the perfect in between that I've never even had a powder like this. So I really, 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 really like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've been talking to you all a lot in the comments and I have been loving it. So let's chat down in the comments. And also, if you are watching me and you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. And guys, we celebrated 10,000 subscribers this week. What? What? Jesus is amazing and has exceeded my expectations. He has brought you here, and I'm so happy. And we are growing, 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 growing. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here. And as always, I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on the next video.